Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter carbon and its compound. In our previous chapter, we have already discussed what is ionic bond. Ionic bond is formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to other. We have also discussed the properties of ionic compounds. Now we are going to discuss bonding in carbon compounds. All of we know atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2.4, means 2 electrons in K cell and 4 electrons in L cell, means valence cell has 4 electrons. So to attain noble gas configuration, there are 2 ways. Number one, by gaining 4 electrons in its outermost orbit, to form C4 negative ion. But it is very difficult for the nucleus with 6 protons to hold extra 4 electrons in its valence cell. আমি কি গম পালো? Carbon can form C4 negative ion by gaining 4 electrons in its valence cell. But it is very difficult for the nucleus with 6 protons. We know that carbon has 6 protons in its nucleus. So to hold 4 extra electrons in its valence cell. So next point, by losing electrons from its valence cell. By number 2, by losing electrons from outermost orbit to form C4 plus ion. By losing 4 electrons from outermost orbit to form C4 plus ion. But it will require large amount of energy to remove 4 electrons. But it will require large amount of energy to remove 4 electrons. So we overcome these difficulties by discussing covalent bond for carbon compounds. Before discussing covalent bond for carbon compounds, we discuss about covalent bond. Then we prothom covalent bond kaak koi discuss korilom. Okay? Covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons between participating atoms. covalent bond. Covalent bond. Covalent bond, my definition to likhi disu. Covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons between the participating atoms. And thereby each atom attains nearest noble gas configuration. Okay, yeah. Covalent bond kak koy? Covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons. Between the participating atoms, and thereby each atom attains nearest noble gas configuration. Okay, এতিয়া আমি already পাই আইছো noble gas কাক কয়. মই এটা তোমালোকক কেনেকে মিউচুৱেল শেয়াৰিং হয় তাৰ দুটামান এক্সাম্পল কৰি দেখাইছো, তোমালোকে চাই লোৱা. First we discuss the formation of hydrogen molecule H2. Example 1, H2 molecule. Covalent bondor jogedi H2 molecule keneke form hoy tumalok dekhaisu. H2 molecule. We know electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1. So 2 hydrogen atoms are there. H1, 1 electron, plus other H atom, 1 hydrogen atom, other hydrogen atom. To get nearest noble gas configuration, each hydrogen atom requires 1 more electron. Nearest noble gas configuration pabole duita hydrogen oke etake electron lage. So each hydrogen atom contributes 1 electron to get the nearest noble gas configuration. See, like this. H 1 hydrogen atom for 1 hydrogen atom, other electron from other hydrogen atom. এই ধৰণে দুইটা হাইড্ৰোজেন এটমে এটাকৈ ইলেক্ট্ৰন কন্ট্ৰিবিউট কৰি দুইটাই নিয়াৰেষ্ট noble gas configuration পাব. আৰু এই পেয়াৰটোক কি বুলি কোৱা হ'ব? This pair is known as shared pair. Or we can write like this, or H or H bond H, and this bond is the covalent bond. And since 1 pair of electron is shared, so it is a single bond. Eta pair share hoise gotike ki buli koa hobo? Single bond buli koa hobo. Ei dhorone ami etia dekhilu duitai nearest helium or configuration pale. So this circle of hydrogen atom has 2 electrons. This also has 2 electrons. So each hydrogen atom attains nearest noble gas configuration. Okay. Next, মই লিখি দিছো ইটো কেনেকে লিখিবা তোমালোকে সোৱা. মই মহাইলৈ লিখি দিছো. Okay. In electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1. Electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1. To complete the K cell, each hydrogen atom, each H atom contributes 1 electron to form a shared pair. And thereby both atoms attain the stable inert gas configuration of helium. Okay, each hydrogen, there are both atoms attain the stable inert gas configuration of helium. Okay, thus a covalent bond is formed between the hydrogen atoms. Thus a covalent bond is formed between the hydrogen atoms, and H2 molecule is formed, and H2 molecule is formed. Okay, সবে ধৰিব পাৰিলা আমি এই ধৰণে লিখিম electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1. To complete the K cell, each hydrogen atom contributes 1 electron to form a shared pair, and thereby both atoms attain the stable inert gas configuration of helium. Thus, a covalent bond is formed between the hydrogen atoms, and we get the H2 molecule. Now, we discuss more examples. Suppose chlorine, formation of chlorine molecule. Cl2. We know electronic configuration of chlorine is 2.8.7. Means chlorine has 7 valence electrons. To complete its outermost orbit, it requires 1 more electron. So we write chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 valence electrons, plus other chlorine atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each Cl atom requires 1 more electron. So each Cl contributes 1 electron to form the shared pair, like this. Cl 1 electron from this chlorine and the other electron from this chlorine. Okay, and the remaining electrons are like this. Okay, and this is how chlorine molecule is formed. Or we write Cl.Cl or Cl bond Cl or Cl2. আমি এই ধৰণে chlorine molecular formation to দেখুৱাব পাৰো. These electrons are called, এই যে এনেকে থাকি গল ইলেক্ট্ৰন, ইহঁতৰ এটা পেয়াৰক কি বুলি কোৱা হ'ব? Lone pair. lone pair. A pair to ki boli koa already moi koi golo, pair to ki boli koa hobo shared pair. Aru these are known as lone pairs. Okay. Now we discuss for oxygen molecule. Formation of oxygen molecule. The oxygen molecule to keneke form hoy dekhon sir. Oxygen O2. All of we know electronic configuration of oxygen is 2.6. Means each oxygen atom requires 2 more electrons to get stable configuration. So, to get stable configuration, each oxygen atom contributes 2 electrons to form 2 shared pair like this. O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus other oxygen atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you see oxygen atom. Each oxygen contributes 2 electrons to form 2 shared pair. Protekto oxygen e dutake electron contribute koribo aru duta shared pair form koribo. 2 electrons from this oxygen and 2 electrons from this oxygen, and the remaining electrons are these. Okay, since 2 pair of electrons are shared, so we get a double bond O double bond O. Duta pair share hoise eta pair of edal bond form hoy aru duta pair share hole ki hobo double bond form hobo. Ei dhorone ami oxygen molecule formation dekhwabo parim or O2 like this. Malke lone pair khini eneke dekhabo para nilikhileu hol. Okay, this is the formation of oxygen molecule. So be dhoribo parisa keneke share kore. Next moi dekhom tumalkok nitrogen or karone formation of nitrogen molecule N2. Electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2.5. Valence electron 5. So it requires 3 more electrons to complete its valence shell. So write like this: nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other nitrogen atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to get stability or to attain nearest noble gas configuration, each nitrogen contributes 3 electrons and thereby form 3 shared pairs between these 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay, like this: nitrogen, other nitrogen atom. 1, 2, 3 electrons from this one and other 3 electrons from this one. Remaining electrons like this. Okay, and we get nitrogen triple bond. Since 3 electron pairs are there, so we get the triple bond. 1 pair forms 1 bond. 3 pairs are there, so 3 bonds means we get a triple bond. Like this. One more example. Suppose formation of ammonia molecule. Ammonia, NH3. We know electronic configuration of nitrogen is nitrogen 2.5 and hydrogen 1. Means nitrogen requires 3 more electrons to complete octet and hydrogen requires 1 more electron to get stable configuration. So here kenekwa hobo tumalke soa. nitrogen 1 2 3 4 5 plus hydrogen 1 plus hydrogen 1 plus hydrogen 1 এটা কেনেকৈ হ'ব এই হাইড্ৰোজেনটোৱে ইয়াৰ নাইট্ৰোজেনৰ এটা ইলেক্ট্ৰনৰ লগত শেয়াৰ কৰিব ইউ শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু এটোও শেয়াৰ কৰিব এটা কেনেকৈ হ'ব চোৱা nitrogen 3 hydrogens are there 1 2 3 one from nitrogen and the other from hydrogen one from nitrogen and the other from hydrogen one from nitrogen the other from hydrogen and the remaining 2 electrons are there. Now you see each hydrogen attains the stable configuration of helium. Each hydrogen attains stable configuration of helium and nitrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 electrons attain the inert gas configuration of neon. So we get ammonia molecule NH3 molecule gives N bond H like this or NH3 it is the ammonia molecule এই ধৰণে আমি ডিসকাস কৰিব পাৰো আৰু এটা एग्जांपल তোমালোকক মই দেখুৱাই দিছো চোৱা formation of methane molecule methane CH4 carbon 2.4 hydrogen 1 carbon requires 4 more electrons to complete each octet and hydrogen requires 1 so we get like this carbon 1 2 3 4 plus hydrogen 1 plus hydrogen 1 plus hydrogen 1 plus hydrogen 1 and now like this it's carbon 4 hydrogens are there 1 2 3 4 one electron from carbon and the other from hydrogen one electron from carbon the other from hydrogen one electron from carbon and the other from hydrogen one electron from carbon and the other from hydrogen now you see carbon attains stable configuration of neon with 8 electrons 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and hydrogen attains inert gas configuration of helium with 2 electrons and like so we get C H H H H okay and name of this molecule is methane a molecule tor naam ki methane okay এই ধৰণে আমি কোভেলেন্ট বন্ডৰ एग्जांपल ডিসকাস কৰিলো কোভেলেন্ট বন্ড কি কেনেকৈ ফৰ্ম হয় জানিলো now we discuss the properties of covalent compound we have already discussed the properties of ionic compounds okay covalent compounds have low melting point and boiling point because of weak intermolecular forces of attraction covalent compounds are soluble in organic solvents and covalent compounds are bad conductor of electricity because no charged particles are there but some exceptions are there okay in our next class we discuss the allotropes of carbon and organic chemistry part okay thank you